Out here traveling, getting some drone footage, and it's time to replace some blades. That's why I buy the 32 set of replacement blades. So this is what they look like when they show up. I'm going to put these back into the top of the Flymore combo bag. I really like the bag it comes with, and in the lid there's this zipper compartment, and that's where I keep my extra props. So this is what the props look like when they show up. You can get them with different style of the tips. I went with orange because that's what I like, orange, and that's what mine originally came with, but you can get other colors if you have more than one, and that'll help you differentiate them. So it's pretty simple. It comes with the tools. It all has all the hardware in there, and you can see that they're also numbered as well as identified, so you know which propellers you're changing. So what I'm going to do is open up my drone, and you can see that these old blades are getting a little bit frayed, and at this point there's no need to keep using them. I'll swap them out and we'll have some new blades on there. We'll get better performance, and I've noticed one of the ways you can kind of tell is the performance of the drone comes down, so we should get a lot more performance. Let's go ahead and switch those out, see how long that takes. Right now we're at about 230. First ones we're going to do is the left rear, or the left pilot side, and the front passenger side. And what I really like about my Haichika set is that it comes with so many different bits that I'm going to find the one that fits perfectly. So I'm not going to have to worry about screwing up any of my screws. And while I do have a powered tool, I like to use the standard aluminum handle for my bits, and it does have a spinner here, but this way I have good control over the props as I unscrew them. Now I'm going to go ahead and replace the screws, the hardware, right away as well. The magnetized Haichika bits do make it a little easier to insert. These replacements are a complete drop-in, they spin easily, and they fly well. Hope this helps.